I'm Logan, this is Trey. I'm going to teach him how to run through the jump rope and how to enter during double dutch. So you'll spin it for me. Trey's going to go on a 3 count right here. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Good job. Now I'm going to show him how to enter during double dutch. So they're going to spin it. We're going to go on the outside rope, hit the ground. So that's how you're going to enter right there. How Trey's going to go. All right, that's it.